It's that time. The Masterbuilt Gravity 1150 won the Next Grill Up campaign on our website. We got it, it's here, we're gonna fire it up.
And we're gonna have to put it together.
Maybe it's easy, we're gonna find out. We got 4 racks of St. Louis spare ribs to put on it. Let's go do it.
Basement.
All right, here we are with the Masterbuilt Gravity. It wouldn't be a new grill day if it wasn't raining, right,
That's
Bob?
right, we always get weather on grill build day.
Don't know why, it's just a thing, but we're gonna build it anyway. We might be soaking wet, but oh well. So far, what do you think of the quality?
So a lot of things seem very solid. The only thing, this is very thin.
Yeah.
But we'll see how she goes. Everything else is very heavy.
There is something under that, so maybe it is dual insulated or whatever. I do like that most of it is already put together. We just gotta do the peripherals. So let's go get this thing started.
Let's do it. So I don't know what goes on here.
Oh, that one right there.
This? Look, this is how they tell you to put the shelf together.
Oh, that's so stupid.
Yeah. Is it 2 upper racks?
Yeah, there's 3 racks.
That's awesome.
Yeah. All right, 1 hour and 45 minutes. We finally got this guy built. We thought this was gonna be a lot easier because the main body was already put together, but man, it was tough, right?
The shelf was the worst, and then this box right here.
And a lot of the holes didn't really like match up with the screws, and we had to force things, but
Could be user error, don't know.
maybe. But ultimately we got here, we're ready to go. It looks really nice. I must say, that is a lot of rack space.
Yes.
That is impressive.
I think you could roll 15, 16 racks.
You think?
If you could put 4 here, 4 here, that's 8.
Oh yeah.
8 more,
It'd be
16.
tight, but pretty close.
I mean, if you gotta do it, you gotta do it.
A lot of shelf space all the way around, which I really like. That's
and this
pretty
baby
cool.
collapsed down.
Cabinet space here for your accessories, which is nice because I have none of that in anything else.
Right.
I'm always struggling with where to put stuff. Let's get started.
She looks pretty.
So we've got B&B lump charcoal. Go ahead, Bob, do the honors.
Shoot. Nope. Just
Scissors.
I thought I had her.
Here you go.
Man, disappointed, but okay.
So to go with the B&B, we got some Weber hickory chunks. We're gonna throw some of those in there. Lump, then hickory, then lump, then hickory.
So go 25%.
Yeah, I'd say that's about right.
So get a shot in here before it's got ceramic plates with numbers and letters. We don't know.
What exactly those mean? Oh yeah.
One more. Don't breathe in the dust.
We've never used this thing before, so we're kind of gonna learn as we go. What's the worst that could happen except burning down my house? All right, let's get this thing started. I bought the paraffin wax, the Weber branded paraffin wax. I don't know if that actually works on this. I thought it would, but now that I'm looking at where it goes, I'm not exactly sure. Oh, I can't pull it anymore because of the charcoal.
Oh, shoot.
Now it doesn't even fit. There we go.
Oh, okay, maybe that's why it is like that.
Yeah, maybe so.
Do we have to turn her on or no?
We turn it on after the charcoal is lit, believe it or not. So the instructions said, make sure that the charcoal at the bottom is lit and starting to burn, and then you can turn it on.
But you can't see the charcoal from here anyway, right?
Right, but if you turn it on too quickly, the fan will blow out the flame. I guess we just wait.
It's a little janky.
All right, so the charcoal is lit. Let's get this thing started. Power button, 225 is the minimum, by the way.
Okay.
There we go, fan on.
Fan is on.
Listen to that crackle.
So it's great. It's great to smell charcoal on your deck again, sir.
I know.
Welcome back.
All right, I'm gonna turn this up to 400 because we gotta do our burn in. We're gonna do this hot and quick.
Maybe do 450, we're doing it short.
Yeah, let's do that. Smells great. Sound is a bit exciting. Let's go get those ribs ready.
Let's do it.
Nice.
We were cussing her putting her together, but
yeah, that was a pain.
Yeah, but it's okay.
You know what they say, nothing good ever comes easy.
I guess so.
While that thing is burning in, we're gonna go ahead and prepare the ribs. We got a nice rack of St. Louis here. So we're gonna square these off and trim them up.
And that thing is the Masterbuilt Gravity, please.
Yes, correct.
Show her respect.
So we're gonna go ahead and take this bone off on the end. This section here we'll cut off and give to the dogs.
So you have to pull the membrane off?
Yeah, we do that at the end. We'll get rid of whatever, watch yourself now. This meat here, this flat meat. Sometimes it's no good.
So we're going competition style.
We're gonna try it.
Okay.
A lot of times what happens is this cartilage area right here is really hard to cut when you're about to eat. So just taking it right off makes this thing cook nicer.
It's not harder to cut now?
No.
Interesting.
So a good boning knife cuts right through it like it's nothing. Now you could turn this into riblets. Have you ever done riblets?
No.
I haven't either. I heard about it. We're gonna try it tonight.
Okay.
Maybe not on video because we don't know what we're doing, but we're gonna try it and see what happens.
You're saying we always know what we're doing. Nice.
So this one actually is pretty decent. Normally I'd have to trim off more, but we're actually pretty square. So now we gotta take off that membrane. It's much more difficult on St. Louis ribs than it is on baby backs for some reason. There we go.
There you go, you get it. Yeah, it's ripping.
So I did decide to do binder this time just because we want that seasoning to stick. We're only gonna stick them in the fridge for about 45 minutes.
Pork barrel barbecue.
Pork barrel barbecue.
Always our
baby.
friend. So if you like brown sugar, add brown sugar.
Correct.
We going thick?
Yeah, can't hurt.
Does it look okay so far, sir?
So far it looks good.
And we're getting no clogging, which means you haven't left this in a humid area, which is good.
Luckily the AC is working all summer long this year.
That's right.
We got 3 more racks. We're gonna do the exact same thing on. Gonna stick them back in the fridge, like I said, for the next 45 minutes until the burn-in's done. And then we're off and running. We'll see how this thing turns out. Can't wait.
Yeah, I'm
excited.
Masterbuilt Gravity.
It better be good after that pain in the butt build.
I think it's gonna be good.
I think you're
Charcoal smoke, and we put chunks in
right.
it.
Chunks, can't go wrong. All right, see you in a bit.
Do it. We're hydrating, super nasty, not liquid IV, it's something else. Oh, it's disgusting.
All right, so we did the burn-in, 700 degrees. We went for a while. I will say it is way different than a pellet grill.
Of course.
There's like certain quirks. For example, everything around this gets super hot. You touch this, it's hot. You touch the door, hot. Even the controller was hot.
So that's probably why these things are on here.
And when you open this, you get mad smoke coming out.
Which is crazy.
What's good is the controller turns off because you're not supposed to do that while it's running.
So do we remove the plates?
And now it turns back on. I removed the plates. So we
Okay.
put the plates in, you put them in there to stop the airflow if you want to turn it down quickly. That worked. We got it down to 275 and now it's time to roll.
So I've noticed a lot of ash in the cabinet.
Tons of
which-
ash, but I'm okay with that.
Right.
All right, we got our 3 racks. We're gonna go on the bottom rack, right?
I guess let's put them on the bottom for the first cook. And how are we
Looking
doing on
good.
fuel?
Well, I did add some more in there.
So is it a fuel sucker is the question?
Well, because we ran it at 700 for a while to do the burn-in very quick, relatively quick. It was still like an hour and 20 minutes before we stopped smelling the oil. I did add more wood chunks. Thank you, Donnie, because we want to see if we can get that wood flavor.
So I love the sound, like you said earlier.
The crackling is, I love that.
I got high hopes for this grill.
Me too. I mean, charcoal flavor. I haven't had charcoal flavor in my house in a long time
know.
because we've only been doing pellet grill.
Every time, I don't know if I said it earlier, but every time Chad's in my house, he's like, charcoal, I love it.
But I drive up to your house in the driveway and I smell it.
So what happens is the smoke goes to the gazebo, rolls around the house, and my ACs blow it like this and down the side of my house.
And then into my nostrils.
Yeah.
All right, these are gonna go 4 hours, we hope, because we were supposed to start a long time ago. The build took way too long.
We wrapped the X-Fire, she's going away Monday or Tuesday.
The X-Fire is going away. We wrapped it in the Masterbuilt box, which is gonna be interesting when RecTech gets it. And it's in a Masterbuilt box. They're gonna know immediately what we replaced it with.
And a spotted lanternfly was in the wrap.
Yes.
So she's going.
Still alive, still
She's
alive.
going.
It's okay, RecTech, we still love you.
Yes.
We'll check
4
on
hour.
these in about an hour, see how they are.
Smells good, dude.
Smells great. All right, so we're an hour in. They look really good. Look at that pullback already.
And they smell amazing.
They smell amazing. The charcoal smells amazing. I'm not really used to this much pullback so quickly. I'm a little excited, to be honest.
You should be.
I mean, this is very nice. So a couple drawbacks, however, the Wi-Fi app doesn't seem to work. We were downstairs playing shuffleboard and I was checking the app. It was like, oh, it's at 380 degrees because we were turning it down to 275. And I was like, why is it not going down? I came up here and it was 275.
But when you get near the
When I bring
antenna,
the phone near this giant antenna from 1998, all of a sudden it connects. So I think the Bluetooth is working, but the Wi-Fi is not. So that's something we got to figure out. But look at that, there's a flame coming up in the back.
I think we shut this will be good.
Yeah, we got to shut it. is that's gonna overcook that one end of the,
So charcoal's a little bit airflow, so that's the one.
That's, charcoal is a little different, obviously. It's not as set and forget as a pellet grill.
No.
I'm not sure that I could go to bed with a butt on there and get REM sleep.
Baby steps for the trust.
But the pullback is amazing after just 1 hour.
The smell's amazing.
It could be all worth it. We're gonna find out soon.
I think it will be worth it.
Stick around.
I hope they're good, good, good.
All right, here we are. It's been only 2 hours and 45 minutes, almost 3 hours.
Yeah, I'm a little scared.
I'm not used to ribs being done this fast, but we did do 275 from the beginning. But they look amazing. There's pullback. We did sauce them.
I've never done 275, so
Let's
see
try
what
it.
happens.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh my God.
Hey, it tastes great. They're bitey because we didn't wrap, but
But not super bitey.
nothing wrong with that.
I definitely taste the smoke. Look at that.
Yeah.
I definitely taste the smoke flavor. Super tender. For being done so quick. Oh my God.
Masterbuilt Gravity.
I taste the charcoal big time.
So good. And a clean bone.
Very, very, very smoky flavor. Way more smoky than I'm used to. Go ahead. I know you want another one. Super good.
I was a little worried.
Me too.
Don't mess with charcoal.
Oh my God. Well, we're gonna find out
I know.
next week when we do head-to-head battle, Searwood versus the Masterbuilt. That's gonna be hard to beat on a pellet grill though.
I know.
All right, well, despite the quirks, Wi-Fi doesn't work. It's super hot to the touch. It's very difficult to build from scratch.
It's only once though.
I'm impressed.
I like it.
Can't wait to see what happens against
This
the
is
Searwood.
Searwood Killer.
All right, well, thanks for hanging out.
Successful cook. See you next time. Party ribs is 3 hours, right?
Yeah.
Not on the damn Masterbuilt.